Well, mornings, boys. How you do? How you doing? Not too bad in Inwood. Got a dentist appointment here. I got to take the truck in this morning for the final safety inspection. I was out here last night. I was trying to get the, there's one reverse bulb was out, or one headlight was out. Well, the headlight was unplugged. It was just, the plug was just unplugged. And the tail light, I took the bulb out. Bulb's fine. I plugged it in, I'm wiggling it around and it's kind of flashing a little bit. So, right away I knew the bulb was good. And I seen the heat shrinks and stuff. I thought, oh, well, at least the guy who cobbled all this in there heat shrinked and soldered the connections and stuff. But turns out I had been notes to the Wisner. We should still be able to just utilize on that, but we'll put a little solder on that. And we just did the old twist them together and heat shrink them tech. And I mean, that's only going to last for so long, you know what I mean? So I got to get that done lickety split. So I was hoping to load the truck onto the trailer and then drive the truck and trailer to the dentist, and then take the truck and trailer to the shop, drop the truck off, and then on the way home pick up a van that I got yesterday. And then it would have been just the most wondrous friggin' occasion of all. But instead, I gotta take, well, I mean, I could take whatever to the dentist, but I'll take the car to the dentist, and then when I'm done that bullshit, I'll come back, fix this, then friggin' go to the shop with a bunch of stuff and dick around, because there's just not enough time. I gotta go in like, how much do I gotta go? Well, half an hour. Cutting her close. Load the truck on the trailer and solder the wires, put that back in. I might be able to do it. We sure saved a bunch of time today. Holy shit. Let's try. Holy schnikevitz, boys. Did it. All the lights work. What else? Oh, I wasn't able to put the O2 sensor in because, like, I found instead of changing bulbs, I had to do a bunch of soldering. And, yeah, other stuff. I can't remember. Holy, what's really going on? Smoking cigarettes. But, any words, should be right on schedule to get the tartar picked off my yap, and then we'll drop the truck off, and then we'll pick the van up, and then we'll come back to Inwood. Slippy slidey, too many donkeys, just an idle, boys. So I apologize severely. She is an icy morn. All the shit talkers meeting up to talk some shit. Okay, don't talk too much shit about Pug One, boys. Try not to friggin' just be a straight up full-fledged goof, you know? I apologize. An outburst there. Should have did my friggin' trip to Shatamas with the load today. Well, it was shitty out, and did the concrete with crowd out yesterday. Well, it was nice out, but nope. Sorry about that. Check this bastard out, boys. Holy, custom as frig. Looks like we had the piss mat layer here. Nice platform there, got a little kitchenette. Hey, missing friggin' passenger word seat and everything. What happened? Friggin' hidden compartmentes in the floor, right in the floorboards. I don't know, man. Maybe he was smuggling. Look at the custom door, dudes. Look at the custom friggin' door, dudes. Almost opens. Maybe shut the drawer. Oh. Just such tight tolerances. You can't have the drawer open at all. Oh, and then there's another secret. Oh, cigarette butt. Oh, too bad the felon was in here. You could partake. Oh, the hole needs to be in a different spot. Oh, I can't get in there, boys. She's locked up tight. She's locked up tight. Check this out. I got like the custom made canopy article there. Fully custom. Just angle grinder to slot in a hunk of the PDC. And you just turn the old knobski there and she'll fucking wind her right up. Couple zip times. Good to go. Trailer hitch onto it. If I didn't know any better, I'd think this could be the felon's rig. Eh? It looks like you could commit some felonious acts in it. Friggin' custom beanie brakes. Custom beanie brakes and smanty rims and stuff. Oh shit. Tires are okay. Let's see what we got under the hood for the power plant. Variable valve timing probably. No. 3.3 liter V6. Still a baby one. Nice. A lot of room in there to work on stuff too, so that's good. This might be a wholesome unit. Battery's only a couple years old. Well, it's touching the end anyway, so that's good. At least he didn't sell me a car with the engine on its way out, like I did to Buddy who crawdad, eh? Just a scumbag. He's selling a truck with the engines on his way out. Oh, I apologize. I wasn't aware. He told me something I never knew, eh? That's handy. You just make stuff up and yammer on about it like a superhero. That's cool. No, it's cool. It's cool, bro. But yeah, probably not too bad for a couple $100. Probably just cobble a passenger seat into it and then see what kind of work it'll need for safety. And this would be a good convict rig. Even comes with a new blouse. I don't like that blouse. Stairwards into her and everything, boys. Kenwood. The Kenwood stairwards into her. I don't know. Check engine lights on, but she's just going to stop alright. Oh yeah. Nothing wrong with this thing. Check it out, boys. The new one. Not even too bad. Scores. 5 2x10x8, $95.03. Holy, so many monies. And then concrete mix,
My price is $6.16 a piece. $27.87.
Forgot.
What are you doing?
Well, I don't dart. I forgot you didn't dart. What do you got? A Jolly Rancher?
Oh, they're my darts.
Oh. Did you ever put a charger in here to charge your phone when you're on the go so you don't get a dead phone all the time?
No.
Oh.
I don't have one. See that?
Yeah.
You can just plug your stuff in.
It's pretty awesome.
Oh, ice possible.
Yeah, drive with care. Careful. Oh, it's gonna muss your new one. Are you on the country?
No, it's Hair Nation.
Hair Nation.
This came with the truck. I don't know. Somebody said it'll just because it's satellite. Somebody's already paid for it, so as soon as they're done paying, it's just going to quit. Well, I don't know anything about it. It came on, and Hair Nation, it plays pretty good rock and.
Right on. Yeah, we'll go left, I suppose.
So rather than listen to local radio, like this still works. You know, when you get too far away from St. Thomas, it kind of blocks out. Well, this will keep on working
all the time.
Yeah.
Right on.
But I don't know how to. I'm still reading the owner's manual on how to switch them. You know, because you can set them to whatever stations you want. I just don't know quite how to do it yet. I'm not that computer savvy.
Right. Holy dudes. The new treads. A little bit thick, not too bad. Good enough for inwood probably. Nice. You gonna hold on a sec or what?
Yeah. Oh. Well, I gotta follow you. I don't know how to get the fuck out of here.
You don't have GPS?
No.
Oh, for fuck's sakes. Oh, crawdads, just brain damage. Holy shnikevits, boys. Put a new O2 sensor in it, check engine light came back on, so it's because it's all cammed out and tuned out and stuff probably. There goes Crawdad. And this good one. But he said he sold these tires because he didn't like how noisy they were, and he was right. You can really hear them in this truck. Nice.